What it do, everybody? It's your boy Tony Ronnie. Look, today I'm making some shrimp fried rice. Oh my gosh. Let's add that butter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Hurry up and throw this in there. Throw that in there. Ooh. Oh gosh. Let's turn that back up a little bit. All right, y'all. For this shrimp fried rice today, man, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little bit of garlic powder. Not a lot, y'all. I'm going to add some pepper. Ooh, baby. Good old Bay. This is all the Old Bay I got. I'm glad I had more. But I'm from Baltimore. We like Old Bay without seafood. Okay? You got to have Old Bay. Simmer. I had to turn the pan down because I was too busy messing with my camera, man. Hope everybody had a great day today. If you're new to my channel, man, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, man, because your boy being here cooking his butt off, okay?
He needs some milk.
He's going to, God, look rough. Oh my gosh. I should have just left it on the other side. Oh gosh. But anyway, I don't care. It's hot and it's getting late. It's almost 9 o'clock and I don't care, man. And the shrimp fried rice don't take long. Take about 15 minutes to make. So hope everybody had a great day today, man. If you want to try this recipe, it's been about 7 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and check on these shrimps. Ooh, baby. Y'all can't tell me them shrimps don't look delicious. Let's get these bad boys out. While these shrimps are cooling down, we're going to go ahead and get these good old Jasmine bag rice here. I like bag rice. This is really good, y'all. We're going to let that boil for about 10 minutes. Hey guys, now you got the daunting task of peeling all these damn shrimps. That's going to take about 10 minutes just peeling them damn shrimps. So let's get to work. All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get these eggs scrambled up. Get that in there. Damn. That's going to splatter everywhere. So go ahead and get your eggs. And go ahead and throw that bad boy in there. We're going to get these onions sauteed up. We'll add a little bit of pepper. And we're just going to saute them for a minute. And they popping out every day. Why are they popping out? They jumping out, bro. Damn. Oh, yeah. Shrimp. All right. We're going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Oh, yeah, the eggs. God damn it. Damn. I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro leaves. I know you're going to say something about me using your cilantro. I already know it. I just want to use a little bit. Huh? And a little bit of salt, y'all. A little bit of salt. Bam! All right, y'all. And there you have it. Shrimp fried freaking... Don't mind that, man. Look, don't mind that. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Shrimp fried rice, baby. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let me take this bad boy off. All right, guys. I'm finally done my, shrimp fried rice. You can see the shrimp. You can see the eggs. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. You can see the seasoning. Let's get a bite. Oh, my gosh. That is good, y'all. That is good. Definitely a must try, man. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and smash that like button. I'm trying to talk with food in my mouth. See y'all in the next video, man. Peace out.